In this tutorial, we're going to cover three methods on how to drop columns in Python. So we're going to start off by importing pandas as PD and importing Seaborn as SNS. Now we're going to come down here and we're going to load in our data. So doing this, we can do sns.load underscore dataset. And here we'll pass through iris. Now we can come down and view data. We can retype out data and we can see we have 5 columns here. Now what we want to do is we want to delete, say, species. We can do del index our data and then pass through the column species. And let's just make sure we print it out after because it's only deleted once. So you can only run this once or else it'll run an error. So we can see it's deleted here. But if we're to run it again, we'll get an error as the column's no longer there. Now what we're going to do here is we're going to redefine our data as since we dropped the column already, I want to bring that column back. So we're going to have to redefine it and now we can see our columns back. So the next method we're going to go with is simply just the dot drop method. So here we could do dot drop and it's already typing it out for us. So we're going to pass through species. We're going to do it amongst the first axis. So axis equals 1 and we can set in place to true. Now, once we run that, we can see the column's gone. Now, the last method we'll cover here is just by indexing. So we'll set iris equal to itself. And here we could do 2 brackets. And in this case, say we only wanted the petal data, we could do petal length, comma, and then index petal underscore width. Now, you can see instead of a singular index, you need 2 brackets if you're going to do more than 1 variable in here. And once we run this, we could then pass through iris again. And we can now see it just leaves us with these 2 columns.